central Arkansas, extreme southeastern Stone County and north central Arkansas, northwestern White County and central Arkansas, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 3 miles north of Cleburne Springs to 6 miles northeast of Rosebud to 3 miles west of Gravel Hill, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Melrose, Cleburne Springs, Step Rock, Pleasant Plains, Cleburne, Greers Ferry Dam, Gravel Hill, Concord, Woburn, Velvet Ridge, Sunnydale, Sidon, Roosevelt, Romance, Locust Grove, Ledona, Joy, Ada. Here are the latest weather conditions at 2 p.m.